This is the Altair Starwave 101. It's practically a 4-inch refractor. It's one of those refractors that is similar to the Lyra 101 also. And it's practically a Fraunhofer refractor, meaning that F11 means that this telescope doesn't have, this refractor doesn't have any chromatic aberration, or it is very minimal. And only visible probably in very high power also. It has a dual speed Crayford focuser, graded draw tube, lovely aluminium knobs and CNC cut rings. I've installed it on the Omni XLT series CG4. This is for a CELESTRON OMNI SCT camera, SCT camera, yeah, telescope camera. And it's really takes it. You can take this one. I'm sure that you can take even a heavier one. And I'm going to observe tonight, God willing, some of the low galaxies. The object, of course, the dust cap, the dew shield, is retractable. This is the objective lens. I've put the dew shield back, and you can come forward again. Just wanted to show you 1 or 2 millimeter actually, Starwave, Achromatic, Doublet, SH0055. It's quite nice telescope actually. I have a Lyra version of this. This is red, so it's a beautiful telescope to use. I'm observing the planet Jupiter with the Altair Starwave 101 F11 telescope. And Jupiter is there, just at the tip of my finger. And I'm using also a extension column and CELESTRON XLT EQ3 tripod and APM 13mm eyepiece. Excellent views. I've seen many views of Jupiter. This is one of the best nights I've ever seen, less turbulent than ever. I looked with the APM Skywatcher Myriad 5mm, perfect, with a 30mm Vixen MLNV, I think, yeah, and that was again perfect view. And that's the excellent telescope lens. It's achromatic, but the view is like Apple because of the long focal length, f11 focal ratio. Excellent telescope. Can I say how much good it's the view with the refractor, the classical refractor, Fraunhofer one. This is that. South equatorial belt, north equatorial belt of Jupiter, very clear, and yeah, some notches, some very dark spots, oval shaped. I'm not sure this is the reddest spot, great reddest spot, but I have to check if it is visible at this time. So beautiful, excellent view. I can see 5 bands on the Jupiter, That's something. And a lot of numerous other ones in the north, near the north and south poles. And amazing, the colors, so clear. The equatorial belt, north and south equatorial belts are really, really dark. Rare that it's so dark. And both so clear, visible. Two of the satellites, Galilean satellites, are very close together. Probably they're going to eclipse each other. So, very beautiful moment in time to be observing Jupiter. Whoa, I'm looking at the Saturn now. Cassini division. Yeah, visible. I can notice it. It's not completely all the time visible, but you can see hints of it. You can see the outer ring after the Cassini division, Cassini gap, is actually, it has a different color. It's a little bit kind of whitish blue, and you can see also in the disk of the Saturn some coloring, kind of equatorial or temperate area, some coloring, which is a bit darker than the usual yellow color, yellow beige color of the disk of the Saturn. And of course the beautiful Titan, the satellite of the largest satellite of Saturn, and the largest, one of the largest satellites in the whole solar system, which is actually bigger than the planet Mercury. We have seen it. It has karstic feature. that satellite has karstic feature. Things which resemble karst on the Earth, made of solid methane and nitrogen, liquid methane and nitrogen, solid nitrogen. Amazing. Or water, solid water. The rock is formed of that. And between the Titan and the Saturn, I can see another satellite. If it is not a star. By the way, I'm using the Omegon dielectric coated 90-degree mirror, 2-inch 90-degree mirror diagonal. And this is a click lock. Beautiful. The scene is so good, I couldn't resist to bring the Televue Ethos 8mm 100-degree eyepiece. And I can see nine cloud belts of the Jupiter from south to north. Oof! Seeing it and transparency of the sky is exceptional tonight. We had a long period of cloud and rain, but tonight is so good, so good. You can see so much clumps in the north and south equatorial belt, festoons. They're different colors, they're bluish gray. Where actually the south and north equatorial belts are a kind of dark red to brown color. Amazing. But the details visible in the north equatorial belt of Jupiter is amazing. Those festoons and the blue colors, blue-gray colors, are in that the north of that, actually, adjacent to the north equatorial belt. Amazing. Ooh, wow, I can now see 11 equatorial belts. 11 cloud belts, I should say, actually. And it's amazing, from the South Pole to the temperate region of the Jupiter, temperate north. That's amazing. So much detail between the South equatorial belt and North equatorial belt. I can see at least 3 more belts. One of them is darker. And the 2 satellites, I think they were Io and Europa, probably, most probably. They're now approach each other. Now they're separating. And I mean, from our sight line of sight,